Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to explain how I took $20,000 rupees from a Propfirm account. So guys, before moving into topic of this video, guys, do subscribe to this channel, guys, because in future uh, crazy Propfirm related contents are going to upload in this channel, guys. So because of that, do subscribe to this channel, guys. And because future like crazy contents are going to upload in this channel. So because of that, do subscribe to this channel. So now let's get back into the main topic of this video. So the topic of this video is that how I got like a 20,000 rupees from a Propfirm funded account. So in this video, I am going to like answer different type of questions, so that from that questions like so many uh, doubts are going to get us. So guys, now let's get back into the main topic of this video. So so the main topic of this video is that like from which funded account I got my payout. So I got my payout from 10K dollars funding account. So uh, this is the first two questions, and then now moving to second question, like how much payout that I got. So I got a payout of 20,000 rupees, and after like splitting profit from that, like splitting the basic splitting method, I got a payout of like a 15,000 rupees, which is equal to like a $150 something. And third question is that which strategy that I used to pass phase one, and then phase two, and then my master account. So I used the same strategy with the 4 hour candlestick pattern based. So I used this like strategy to pass my phase one, and then phase two, and then to get payout from that as well. And like fourth question is that like how I cleared my like $5K money account, and then I cleared uh, $10K. Like for this with this strategy that I use. So guys, for this topic, I have made like a separated dedicated video on this channel, guys. So so if you want to know how I cleared my 5K and then the shame, so guys, do like check out this like guys, from that you will get to know how I passed my $5K, and then how I passed my $6. So guys, for that, do check out the channel, guys. From this channel, like you will get to know like which strategy that I passed, like which strategy that I followed, like to pass my different funding mm, account, like from phase one, and then passing phase two, and then getting master account also. So guys, for that two account is channel guys. And fourth question is that which proper or which uh, like through which main proper company to which I purchased. So I purchased through funding tips. So I purchased through funding tips, and I suggest you also to buy funding account from a funding tips company only, and don't buy through other company. Like there are so many companies, but there will be some sort of issue they will give on the while you request your payout. So for that reason, guys, just follow a funding fix company only. And so yeah, guys. So this is it about this video, guys. And in this video, I shared so many doubt. First is that how much payout that I got. Then my second is that which strategy that I followed. Then third question is that like uh, from which proper account I purchased my funding from the account. And then fourth question is that like how much like a profit split uh, that I got from my um payout. So guys, in this video, I cleared so many doubt, guys. So yeah, guys. So this is about this video, guys. So we will meet in the next video, guys. So guys, till then, take care, guys, and bye bye.